So on the boat today, I want to do something special and I want to do something to thank all of our Patreon supporters. So this area here, I would like to put all of our Patreons' names on there that will then stay on the boat forever. So how am I going to do this? So I was very kindly sent a Laserpecker 2 from Laserpecker. So I'm going to use this tool for this job. So I've prepared a lovely piece of birch plywood and I'm going to try and engrave all of our Patreons' names onto the wood. So what is really great about this machine is that you can do really long stuff on the trolley mode. You can actually do round stuff on the cylinder mode, and then you can actually do it handheld, so you can engrave anywhere that you want to. So at first I'm going to go and try the trolley mode, and it's so easy to put together for when you're changing between different modes, because there's a square there, and a rounder shape there, so you know which side needs to go into which bit. So put my square into my square. And then on the back of the trolley, there's the same shape. So that goes onto there. So this laser actually comes with its own power bank as well, so you can use it wherever you are. You don't have to be reliant on power. So that's great on the boat, so you can actually take it anywhere that you want to. Right, shall we power it up? And you can use it from your phone or from your tablet, and it's just so quick and easy. So we're all connected now, so let's start making my piece. So because we are on a boat and we are slightly wonky, I'm just going to put some guides on for the trolley to run up and down against, just so it doesn't go a bit wonky, because we are sitting a bit unlevel at the moment. So I've clamped it all up. So before you actually do a proper engrave, you can actually do a test run just to make sure that it's all going to stay level and lines up and where you want it. So should we give that a go? So I've very quickly knocked up this, so let's see if this works. I am absolutely rubbish on computers and stuff, like design and stuff, but this is just so easy. You can knock something together, you can even actually draw something or get something, copy an image from the internet and just put it into the app, and you can play with the settings to get it exactly how you want it, and it's just like idiot proof. If I can do it, anyone can. So now I've just got to add on all of the Patreon's names. I wondered if we could engrave onto a very tiny Reese's Pieces. Should we give it a test? It worked. I don't even know whether the camera's gonna pick this up. Get your magnifying glass out and read that.
It's got my name on it. Oh my god. How the devil's it done that?
That's ace, isn't it?
Wow.
You know I'm going to be engraving
I'm
everything.
going to keep this now forever on the window ledge.
It's chocolate. Should we see if it will engrave Simon's dinner? Don't think it's designed for bread or chicken wraps, but there you go. Hello, have you got your own shiphappens sandwich? Toasted?
Smells like toast.
That's cool. What else can I do?
Oh.
So time to start engraving the names. So what's really good about this machine is that you can take it off its stand and just use it handheld. So if I put the guard on, this gives you the correct distance away. So I can place it down now and just engrave anywhere I want. I am really surprised how easy this is to use. So I'll just go through, because obviously everything's been on a time lapse. So you type in someone's name onto the app, which I'm doing it all through the Laserpecker app. I'm not using any additional software or anything like that. So David Talbot, I'm going to do your name. So I've typed it in. Then I go through the sizing that I want. And then literally I can preview where I want it to be on the piece of wood. Stick you at the top there, and then press go. And that took 14 seconds. How awesome is that? So we're getting there on the names. Keep at it until they're all done. So I've been working on this all day. It's like nearly 4 o'clock, and this little battery, it's still got half of its power. I'm just quite amazed how a little battery can power quite a, you know, a laser you'd think would take a lot of power, wouldn't you? But yeah, the battery's doing better than my iPad is, my tablet is down to 24%. So, right, crack on. It's a bit dark in here, so I'm working by torchlight. There we go. I've done it. So they are the names of all of our Patreon supporters. And I'm actually amazed how many supporters who we've got who really do help make this project possible. So this will go up pride of place, and any new Patreons that we get, there's still space. So if you'd like your name on the board, come over and join us on Patreon. I'm quite impressed how well that turned out, and actually how easy it was to use on the Laserpecker. Check that out.
That's way good. That is really, really, really cool. So what's the plan? You're going to fit it, or you're going to wait until the boat's more ready? We can just have it hanging or something.
Yes, I do want to put it off.
You're going to put it up?
Yes.
Okay.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah. Made
But
possible.
yeah, it was, you know, there was a lot of names to do on there.
Yeah.
It did take some time, but that machine was just fab.
Yeah.
And I know I could have actually done it probably easier by, you know, opening up some different software and putting all the names in at once and then engraving them all at once.
No, I like it.
But,
they're all personal, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
I'm not that good on like editing software stuffy.
Yeah. Well, they know that, don't they?
Yeah, you know that. So doing it one at a time was like my skill level. But we just want to say thank you so much to each and every one of these people. And it's just, we feel so blessed, don't we?
I just like looking at all the different names.
Yes.
You're like,
I know all of our Patreon's names now because I've just spent the time doing it.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, guys. So have a look, see if you can spot your name. Your name could be here. Thank you so much to Laserpecker as well for sending me that awesome machine. I'll drop some links in the description so you can see the engraver that I've been using. Highly recommend it. It's just, as I say, even the most novice person can actually use it, because if I can do it, anyone can do it. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.